Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we will see a term called cycle stock. Having enough inventory on hand to meet customer demand is crucial to maintain and grow any business. Companies must not only carry enough inventory to meet forecast, but a cushion of additional goods that can help them cover unexpected demand or problem like late shipment from suppliers. One important component to inventory management is cycle stock. Understanding cycle stock inventory and the amount you need available over a predetermined period will help you meet customer demand while also keeping cost as low as possible. Sometimes referred to as working inventory, cycle stock is the amount of inventory available to meet typical demand during any given period. It is the amount of inventory you would expect to go through based on forecast and historical data. Cycle stock is one part of company's total on-hand inventory and must be replaced as the business sells its goods. For example, that is called inventory turnover. Cycle stock versus safety stock. What is the difference between these two? It ultimately comes down to the expected use for each type of inventory. Cycle stock are the goods allocated to meet regular customer demand over a certain amount of time, whereas safety stock is more like backup inventory. Think of it as a product kept in your facility to cover unforeseen circumstances, such as when plant production output falls short or when actual sales comfortably exceed forecast. For instance, perhaps your company runs a major promotion in the lead up to the holidays and sales outperform the previous season sales and the latest forecast by a wide margin. In this case, you will run out of cycle stock, so you need to tap into safety stock. Without those additional reserves that you hold for just this type of occurrence, the company will lose sales and customer who may never return after this kind of frustrating experience. However, if your sales forecast is spot on or customer demand even falls short of it, you can fulfill all orders from cycle stock. Determining the right amount of cycle stock is a tricky balancing act because companies also don't want to carry more inventory than they need to. The formula for calculating cycle stock is based on safety stock as well. Cycle stock is equal to total inventory on hand minus safety stock. Thanks for watching. Bye.